This is a shoe that I know a lot of people got, and they're like, oh man, it's a Yeezy, I'm rich. I'm sorry, bro, this is not that shoe that's gonna make anybody rich. Unless you have multiple pairs of this one shoe, you're not gonna be rich off of it. Nice squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I am back with another video for head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, another banger. You know, I came here for the squad. Today, man, I am feeling good. I'm feeling great. Shouts out to everybody who's been watching, subscribing, all my newcomers, all of my day ones, man. But listen, I have to say this. If you ever brushed your teeth, ever in your life, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button because, bro, the like button don't get enough love. So we gonna see who nasty out there. That's on dog. If you ever brushed your teeth in your life, you know what I'm saying? Even, you know, if you had to squeeze it on your finger and get you one of those in, smash that like button right now. So guys, today we doing a video that I normally don't do, but I mean, I am for the people. Ask anybody about your boy Snipe Jones, I'm for the people. So many people have been hitting me up in my DMs about the black static V2. Where is my joints? I don't even have them out here. Give me 1 second. Let me grab them real quick. Okay, yeah, so these are the black static V2s. As I was saying, so many people are like in my DMs asking me about this shoe. Now, if y'all remember, when I did my pickup vlog and when I did my review on these shoes, which I will link down below because I did both. They both fire. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. Check them out. It's weird. It's like everybody who went for them, they got them. So it made you think like it was a lot, which I still think it was a lot because a lot of people don't know these were released earlier. And the first time they released, they were very, very limited. I said this in a few of my videos, so I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself, but we do have new people. So Kanye kind of is setting the trend right now. Any shoe that's super limited, he's gonna drop again. For instance, I'm gonna bring out these two because they're two of my favorite 350s to go off of. First off, we got the semi-frozen yellow joints. When he first came out with these, they were supposed to be oh so very limited. It was like over $1,000 in resale value. But then, of course, he came back out with them, aka the McChicken joints, and now they not going for too much. And then, of course, we got my favorite Yeezy V2 of all time, which is the Zebra. Like, when the Zebras first came out, I told you guys, I know somebody who paid $1,200. It was the going price. It was the asking price the first time. These came out 3 times. So it's crazy. And he also did a restock on like a lot of other shoes, like the Bread V2s. It was like for a small limited time, and it was very, very hard to get. I mean, he's restocking on the new 380 Aliens. And of course, he's restocking, he re-released, I should say, the 350 V2 Black Static. And that's kind of like a Kanye thing or like an Adidas thing. Whatever shoe is popping, very limited. Look, do not pay top dollar. I can't tell you when, but they will drop again. Wave runners, same thing. I'm telling you, like, I kind of know what I'm talking about, just a little bit. So now we got the Black Static. I'm gonna pull my pair out now. Hope I got the right box. Cool, I did, because it's a lot of Yeezy boxes over there, I ain't gonna cap. So now we have this sneaker, right? Which is the V2 Pirate Black of the first series. And a lot of people have been DMing me like crazy, should they hold on or sell their shoe? And I appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. I appreciate it. But I've never been like the reselling value type of dude. Well, I've never been the type of dude to tell you guys about resale value because that's not really my thing. But it's not like I don't know it. I am of the community. I do know what shoes go for. It's kind of like my job to know these prices. So it's never been the fact that I never knew about it. It was like, I'm not a reseller. I usually get one pair for me and I'm out the door. But, you know, so many people hit me up about this. I felt like I had to go ahead and throw it out there. So shouts out to the people who hit me up about this. Let's go ahead and break down this static V2 because it's some stuff down here. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I can drop some gems real quick. I ain't gonna cap with. Today is the last day. Rejuvenators 50% off sale. Today is the last day. Now, since Black Friday, you were able to go on rejuvenator.com and get up to 60, well, not up to, everything on the website is 50% off. So I've always linked that down below in the description, but I mean, the deal doesn't last forever. You know what I'm saying? It just doesn't. So if you want to take advantage of 50% off of anything over at Rejuvenator, I will link it down below. And please use my discount code Sniper50. Use discount code Sniper50 and you can just load up whatever you want and just cut it in half because everything is 50% off. And like I said, today is the last day. I've been telling you guys, if you do go over to Rejuvenator and use my discount code, all you have to do is screenshot that and send it to me on my gram and I'll repost you. And I've been reposting like crazy, man. So shout out to y'all, man. I appreciate it. I love y'all. Thanks. Now to the nitty gritty, okay? This sneaker is 2 pairs, okay? You get the general release pair, like your boy. Cause I ain't gonna hold you, I'm not paying 1,500 of them things for no reflective shoe. So for my newbies out there that didn't know, this shoe comes in reflective and non-reflective. The non-reflective pair is the pair that you'll get at Foot Locker, City Gear, or wherever you got your pair from. This is that pair. So the only thing that's reflective on this sneaker is the lace system. Now the reflective pair, that has an entire upper that's completely stitched in prom knit and reflective. So that pair obviously goes for way more. So in this video, I'm only talking about the non-reflective because I don't have a reflective and it'll just be pointless. We all know about the money sizes, okay? So the question is, do you want to hold? Do you want to sell? What should you resell them for? So it all depends on you. Right now, let me get my phone real quick. Right now, I believe, and I'm gonna just go off of my size because I mean, this here is a size 12. I do understand that like size 12 is not a money size, but just for like experimental purposes, we're gonna go off of size 12. Okay, so right now we got the non-reflective black Yeezy V2, and then size 12 is going for $323. Now, a lot of people get that and they might think that that's like the actual price, but that might not be the actual price. You can set it for that, but you have to go over and see what the buyout is, like the actual payout of that sneaker in that size, and the buyout is actually, if you were to sell it like right off the hip, is $312. So that's what you would get, and that's like before they even take taxes out, before they take, you know, their percentage, because they got like some transaction fees that they take out as well. I'm not sure what like all that might add up to, but if you were to sell these right now, size 12, you would be getting $312 for them. Now here in Atlanta, I know the exact price I paid for them, including tax. It was $237 and some change. So if that's a good enough fit for you, I would say go for it. It's holiday time. I understand that everybody does not have the means. I understand that everybody does not have necessities that they need to have in order to make holiday time. So if you gotta let these go, by all means, bro, look, I understand what you mean. But to my people who can hold on to them, I would definitely say hold on to them. And as I said, this video was brought to me because somebody reached out in the DM and I responded, and I just kind of told them the same thing. They had a smaller size, like a money size, and like I said, depending on what size you have, well, actually it doesn't, man, because in my opinion, I think these will go up. They're going to go down too, but in actuality, I think they will go up. You can't really like look at this Yeezy and compare it to the rest of them, because Kanye has some crazy colorways. I mean, look at this semi-frozen yellows, for crying out loud. It's a Volt green, it's like a McDonald brown, and like got some blue stitched throughout the upper. Like, how many times can you wear that? How valuable is that? This is a all black Yeezy sneaker. It's all black, which means you can basically wear this with whatever you want, however you want, and however many times you want. That increases value. Colorways matter. People want this shoe because it's easy to wear, all black. You know what I'm saying? You have to think about that whenever you're buying or selling shoes. What is the market like? And the market for an all black sneaker that's hyped will always do well because it's an easy shoe to wear. Now, something that I do want to tell you guys is, man, I've never used GOAT before, so I'm just going off of StockX prices. Even though GOAT is a great place to buy and sell too, I have nothing against them. I have bought from GOAT plenty of times, and it's always been like a great transaction. Selling on StockX does take out fees, so you might want to hinder that in a little bit. My personal opinion, I would keep them, okay? If you don't need the money ASAP, I would keep them. And let's talk about why, okay? So if you decide to keep these, is the money from keeping these now going to be life-changing? I'm not telling y'all right now, if you keep them for a year, you're going to make $1,000. I'm sorry. I know when people want to resell sneakers, or this is a shoe that I know a lot of people got, and they're like, oh man, it's a Yeezy, I'm rich. I'm sorry, bro. This is not that shoe that's going to make anybody rich. Unless you have multiple pairs of this one shoe, you're not going to be rich off of it. I wish I could tell you, you know, it's like a Chicago Off-White, and you can hold it for a year or two and it can be worth $2,500 to $3,000, but it's not. Unfortunately, man, the only people who really gonna get like a crazy flip off of this is if you got 4 or 5, well, actually like 7, 8 pair, and you can just sell them all for like maybe $75 over, because 75 times 8, I don't really know like that. Let me check real quick, see what my math like. Got 8 pair, you sell them for $75 over retail, you done made $600. Okay, so that is a quick flip. You know what I'm saying? You just got rid of 8 shoes, you made $600. you good. Now, for my people out there with 1 or 2 pair, sorry man, you're not gonna be making bank like that. It just doesn't work like that. I'm sorry. So I would tell you guys to hold on, because you have a potential to make probably an extra $40, $50. Now, I know you're thinking like, man, I can live without an extra $40, $50, but hey, I ain't gonna hold you. An extra $40, $50 for your boy Snipe Jones, that sound good. You know what I'm saying? That's a date for a little shorty. You know what I'm saying? A little breezy, gas in the whip. That's food for the week. Hey, look, I can make $50 stretch. Like, I've been broke before. I had to make $50 stretch. Believe me. Pretty much my take on the Black Static V2s, man. Please comment down below if you have these and you're willing to sell. Even in my review that I dropped, I see so many people in my comments saying, yo, I got size X for sale or size X for sale. No problem, man. You know what I'm saying? I should ask for that 10% because you kind of, you know, put it in my comments. But no, honestly, it's definitely a shoe a lot of people trying to sell right now. And I would say, if I was you, if you need it ASAP, let it go. If not, holding it definitely wouldn't hurt you. Okay, so that's pretty much it, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you head to Rejuvenator today. Is that last day of that 50% off sale. Take advantage. Even if you buy some brushes or some stain repellent, like, it's 50% off. It is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.